Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to either add or remove a keyboard layout on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select time and language on the left side here. And now on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says language and region. So go ahead and left click on that. And underneath your current preferred language, there should be a language in here. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select where it says language options. At this point, you can go ahead and scroll down underneath keyboards. You can add a keyboard by left clicking on it. And you can add any keyboard from pretty much anywhere in the world here. You would go ahead and select that language. And then that would be it. You have the keyboard listed down here. And if you want to change the keyboard you're using, you can see down the system tray, you can see you have two keyboards you can switch between. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you wanted to remove a keyboard, you can just select the three-dotted icon next to it and then remove it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.